Hello friends, welcome to Shriram's. The topic for today's discussion is heat waves in India. Backstory. Recently, the Indian Meteorological Department forecasted heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over northwest, central and adjoining peninsular India. What is the Indian Meteorological Department? It is the principal agency responsible for meteorological observations, weather forecasting, and seismology. It is an agency of the Ministry of Earth Sciences. What is a heat wave? A heat wave is a condition of air temperature which becomes fatal to the human body when exposed to it. Quantitatively, it is defined based on the temperature thresholds over a region in terms of actual temperature or its departure from the normal. When do heat waves occur in India? Heat waves typically occur between March and June and in some rare cases even extend till July. Why are they becoming more frequent? Higher daily peak temperature and longer, more intense heat waves are becoming increasingly frequent globally due to the climate change. What is the criteria for declaring heat waves? Heat wave is considered when the maximum temperature of a station reaches at least 40 degrees for plains and at least 30 degrees for hilly regions. It can be based on either departure from normal temperature or based on actual maximum temperature. What is a warm night? It is considered only when the maximum temperature remains 40 degrees or more. It is defined based on departure or actual minimum temperatures. What are the heat wave prone states over India? Heat wave generally occurs over the plains of northwest India, central, east and north peninsular India during March to June. How does the IMD monitor heat waves? IMD has a big network of surface observatories covering the entire country to measure various meteorological parameters like temperature, relative humidity, pressure, wind speed and direction, and so on. Based on daily maximum temperature station data, climatology of the maximum temperature is prepared for the period 1981 to 2010 to find out normal maximum temperature of the day for a particular station. What is the health impact of heat waves? The health impact of heat waves typically involve dehydration, heat cramps, heat exhaustion, or heat stroke. It also causes fatigue, weakness, dizziness, headache, nausea, vomiting, muscle cramps, and sweating. What are favorable conditions for heat waves? There are 4 conditions. First, transportation or prevalence of hot, dry air over a region. Second, absence of moisture in the upper atmosphere. Third, the sky should be practically cloudless to allow maximum insolation over the region. And lastly, large amplitude anticyclonic flow over the area. How can they be controlled? Episodes of heat waves are growing more common as climate change intensifies. Therefore, the intensity and frequency of heat waves can be reduced if the global community adopts and adheres to a lower emission scenario in the future. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast.